Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if summation r from 1 to n is this. So, they have given you one result and they are asking you to solve this situation. So, first try to understand what does this component means. So, instead of focusing on right hand side, just focus on left hand side. So it is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus dot 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 Tn. So what is this represents? It is Sn. So this thing is nothing but Sn. So we got Sn as n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. Now we have to find out the formula for Tn. Okay, so how we will get value formula for Tn? Do you remember that? We have this idea that Sn minus Sn minus 1 will give us Tn. Okay, so we are interested in finding Tn, so we will apply the same logic over here. So it is n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So this is your Sn minus 1. So in place of n, I will replace n with n minus 1. So it will become n and then n minus n plus 1 and then n plus 2. So this is your Tn. Now to write down this thing in more simplified form, I will be taking n plus 1 and n plus 2 common. So it is n plus 1, n plus 2 common. We are left with n plus 3 minus n. So this thing gone. So we are left with 3 times n plus 1, n plus 2. So this is your Tn. Now our question will look like this. Summation r starts from 1 to n. So we have to write down our question in terms of r. So this is Tn, so you have to write Tr. So this is your Tr. 3 r plus 1 and r plus 2. Now you know that while handling summation, you can segregate question into additions and also you can take constant outside. So you have 3 over here. So can I take 1 by 3 common outside? Now we have to manipulate this, and you know that how to handle these kind of situations. We used to write big minus small, है so that we can. So this is 1 by 3. Summation r starts from 1 to n, and if I'll write big minus small, yani r plus 2 minus r plus 1, we will be left with r plus 1 r plus 2. So if you'll observe this thing and this thing, you will be left with 1. So it is okay to write down this part. So we are left with 1 by 3 summation, and then we will be having r plus 1 minus 1 by r plus 2, and r starts from 1 to n. So now you are good to go with applying the limit. So suppose that first value of r is 1, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, not mine plus, this is minus, plus, then we will apply 1 by 2. No, it is 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus dot dot dot, and then we will be writing n. So 1 by n plus 1. Okay, 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. Now look at this. So this thing, second component will eliminate first component, this thing, this thing, this thing. So we will be left with 1 by 3 and then 1 by 2 and then minus of 1 by n plus 2. This is your final answer. Okay. you can simplify things. So we will be having n plus 2 minus 2 by 6 times n plus 2. This thing gone. So this is our final answer, n by 6 times n plus 2. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.